Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you more than 50 examples of how to make a request and how to ask questions. Let's go! Number 1. Could you do me a favor? 2. Would you help me? 3. Would you do me a favor? 4. Would you assist me? 5. Please help me. 6. Can you help me? 7. Can you do something for me? 8. Can you assist me? 9. Can I ask you for a favor? 10. Will you help me with this problem? 11. Will you help me solve this problem? 12. I'm stuck on this problem. Can you help me? 13. I need your help with this matter. 14. I need your help on this question. 15. I need your help on this problem. 16. Can you help me with this problem? 17. Can you help me solve this problem? 18. Can you help me in this matter? 19. Do you speak English? 20. Do you know English? 21. How do you say? Example. How do you say carte in English? 22. Say it once more, please. 23. Repeat it once more, please. 24. Please repeat what you said. 25. Please repeat that again. 26. Could you please say it once again? 27. Could you please repeat it once again? 28. Please speak slower. 29. Slow down, please. 30. Go slowly, please. 31. Could you not speak so fast? 32. Please write it down for me. 33. Write it down here, please. 34. Please write it here. 35. I don't know what it is. 36. What does this mean? 37. How far is? Example. How far is the library from here? 38. How many? Example. How many children do you have? 39. How much? Example. How much does this t-shirt cost? 40. What is the length? 41. How much is it? 42. What does it cost? 43. Is there a bathroom here? 44. Where is the toilet? 45. Where is the restroom? 46. Where is the bathroom? 47. Is there a toilet here? 48. Is there a restroom here? 49. Is there a public restroom here I can use? 50. Is there a men's room nearby? 51. Is there a ladies' room nearby? 52. How can I find a toilet? How can I find a bathroom? How can I find a WC? Thank you for watching, and if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.